Good morning and welcome to E&S Computers. I'm Jo, and this morning we are going to be removing the hard drive from a Lenovo V15 IIL. Now there's an issue with the charging port on this, but because it's soldered, it wasn't a repair that we wanted to do due to the fact that potential damage to the board. So the customers decided they want a new laptop, so we're going to get the drive out so we can do the data transfer. So let's go. Get all of these loosened. These loosened, but they don't want to come out. And I'm putting them on the magnetic mat next to me as well. This one does not want to come out. Try and lift it up. No. Let's get in and remove the bottom. There we go. Just gradually working my way around. It always decides to grab hold in some places. There we have it. I'll take that off and pop it over on the side desk. So here we go. And okay, so as you can see, this does not have a standard SATA hard drive which would go here. We have this one here, so I'm just going to move this off the top and I'm going to unscrew. There we go. So we will put that in our little holder and get the data off of that and put it in the new on a new laptop. Be arriving later on today. So that's it. Removal of the drive from a Lenovo V15 IIL. Thank you for watching. I'm Jo. This is E&S Computers. Please hit like, subscribe, and any comments would be really appreciated. Thank you and have a great day.